The second round of the Bird Dogs Golf Summer Cup will take place at Hazeltine National in Minnesota. The course was opened for play in 1962. Robert Trent Jones can be thanked for the long and challenging layout, which he modified throughout the years when needed. His son, Reese Jones, would eventually leave his mark on the course as well, in preparation for the 1991 U.S. Open Championship. This year, Hazeltine National will host the 2026 KMPG Women's PGA Championship. Hazeltine is also the future site of the 2029 Ryder Cup. Hazeltine National is the only club in the country that has been selected to host the Ryder Cup for a second time. Let's take a look at all 18 holes. We start off with a slight downhill 419-yard par 4. The landing zone off the tee is surrounded by bunkers to the left and right. The flag might be tucked behind a U-shaped bunker on the front right, with 2 additional bunkers on the left. The second hole is a 362-yard par 4 dogleg to the left. 3-wood might be the proper play off the tee, as a driver may place you into a fairway bunker on the right. 4 bunkers protect this elevated green, 2 on the left and 2 on the right. Hole 3 is a 562-yard par 5. A well-struck drive can carry the fairway bunkers on the left, putting you into a prime position. The fairway narrows as you approach the elevated green. Similar to hole 1, the pin might be tucked behind a U-shaped bunker, which is just a little bit larger this time. Hole 4 is the first par 3, and at 199 yards, it is the longest par 3 on the course. There is a set of 3 bunkers lining the right side of the green, as well as a long bunker on the left side. The 5th hole is a 384-yard par 4 that doglegs to the right. Attempting to cut the corner of the fairway might land you into one of the 3 right side fairway bunkers. The slightly elevated green has 3 bunkers protecting the front left and right side. At 358 yards, number 6 is a shorter par 4. You might want to keep the driver in the bag though. A 245-yard shot off the tee will put you into a good position to attack the green. The green is protected by a pond to its left and 3 evenly spaced bunkers starting behind the green, circling clockwise to the front right. The 7th hole is a 487-yard par 5. You may be able to reach the green in 2, but it may be a better idea to lay up. The green is surrounded by a pond to its left, and a cluster of bunkers take up residence in the front right. The 8th is a 151-yard par 3. A beautiful pond covers the entire right side. The left side has 3 bunkers, almost making the green and bunkers appear like a paw print. We finish the front side with an uphill 384-yard par 4. The fairway is lined with bunkers up and down the left and right side. The elevated green has a large bunker protecting the right side of the green, as well as a smaller bunker in the front left. We start the backside with a 369-yard dogleg left par 4. Placing your drive over the bunkers on the left side will leave you a nice downhill approach shot. There is water deep left, as well as 3 bunkers placed in the remaining corners of the green. The 11th is a 504-yard par 5. The fairway sweeps left to right, with much of the trouble being on the right. There is a possibility of reaching this green in 2, but there are numerous bunkers lining the right side preventing you from accomplishing said feat. The 432-yard par 4 12th is next. 3 bunkers lay in wait in the right side of the fairway for your tee shot. If you manage to clear the fairway bunkers, you should have a manageable approach shot to the green, which is protected by 2 bunkers, 1 front left and 1 covering the entire right side. Hole 13 is a 185-yard par 3. Other than avoiding some trees off the tee, you will want to avoid going into the pond or the bunkers, one at the front left and one at the front right of the green. The shortest par 4 at 322 yards awaits you on the 14th. It might be possible to reach this green off the tee, although the bunker cutting into the fairway just short of the green from the left might have something to say. There are 2 greenside bunkers, one on the left and one on the right. The 15th is a 534-yard par 5. The fairway sweeps right to left off the tee, with 3 large bunkers swallowing up anyone who tries to cut the corner too sharp. As you work your way to the green, you'll have to avoid many more bunkers. Oh, and the green is surrounded by bunkers. Hole 16 is a 351-yard, slight dogleg right par 4. A small stream runs along the left side of the fairway, while a large lake looms to the right. The lake continues to be a pest, as it surrounds nearly 3/4 of the green. The last par 3 is the 164-yard 17th. 2 ponds are in play, one short of the green and another pin high left. As well as the 2 ponds, there are 4 well-placed bunkers surrounding the green. We finish with an uphill 404-yard par 4. Clear the bunkers on the left side of the fairway, and you will leave yourself a nice uphill approach shot. The green is protected by a large bunker in the front left and 2 more bunkers on the right. That concludes our flyover of Hazeltine National. Round 2 of the Bird Dogs Summer Cup starts Thursday, April 16th, and will end Wednesday, April 29th. Congrats to Ethan on shooting a 76 in round 1 at Palmer North. Our current points leader is Ethan with 1,500 points. Thank you to everyone who participated in round 1. We look forward to seeing you again in round 2. If you enjoyed our look at Hazeltine National, please consider leaving a like and a subscribe to the channel to see more course flyovers in the future. Thank you again for watching, and have a wonderful day.